Hi friends, welcome back to Learn with Sketch and Craft.
Today we are going to learn how to draw Winnie the Pooh, honey loving bear. Grab your marker and let's start drawing together. Draw a big oval shape. This will be Pooh's head. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now draw the nose and the mouth. Add eyebrows. Draw the eyes with a curved line and a small circle. Draw the another ear. Now a curved line for the collar. Draw the t-shirt. Now draw Pooh Bear's hand.
Arm is bent, rest on his back, so draw a curve shape.
Now draw the round body. Next draw two short rounded legs at the bottom of his body. Draw the rounded foot.
Let's draw a cute butterfly sitting on Pooh Bear's nose. A teeny circle for head and the long body. Add two antennae. Draw two small wings. Now it's coloring time. Use black on nose and eyebrows. I am using yellow, blue and pink on butterfly, but you can use any fun color of your choice. Use yellow on Pooh Bear's whole body. Use red for the t-shirt. If you enjoy this, hit like and subscribe for more easy drawings. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.